Today we're putting on the final coat of Waterlox Marine Satin Gloss Mix. Mix 50-50 gloss and satin in the marine finish. Give us a medium sheen. The bottom row of panels has been second coated. The second row of panels is not. You can see the richness coming out with this final coat. Certainly looks very nice after the first coat. And we'll continue on with this final coat. And this door will be done. Again, the bottom row just coated with the marine finish. Second row up getting ready to coat. But boy, you can see this natural wood tones coming out of this. Natural sparkle and grain pattern.